before we proceed any further, let's try to differentiate first obligation from a contract. Kasi baka ang notion natin is it's just the same, no? Hindi. Sabi nga natin before, no, dun sa previous episode natin, one of the sources of obligations are contracts. So, obligations are the result of a contract. If the contract is valid, an obligation would surely, it would surely arise. An example would be a valid contract of sale. In a valid contract of sale, obligation will arise. No? Obligation of the seller to deliver the property sold and obligation of the buyer to pay the price. Yun yung sinasabi ko na obligation is the result of a contract. But for a contract naman, a contract always presupposes meeting of the minds. No? Laging merong kasunduan sa contracts. Pero sa obligation, wala. Hindi mo laging kailangan na may kasunduan, no? An example would be a contract na may kasunduan, no? Yun. Employment contract, deed of sale, contract of sale, no? Merong meeting of the minds. Kailangan mag-agree yung both parties or yung parties na involved. Pero, pag sinabi mong obligation, no, hindi lagi na kailangan may meeting of the minds. No? An example would be a violation of a municipal ordinance or a violation of a traffic regulation. Pag may na-violate ka, you are liable, there is an obligation. Hindi mo kailangan ng meeting of the minds, no? Hindi kailangan merong agreement. No? Yun yung difference ng obligation sa contract. Pero, there are instances na hindi laging result ang obligation. May instance din na because of obligations, meron din nag-arise na contract. Okay, so paano yun, no? Gamitin natin yung example natin kanina, no? Contract of sale. In a contract of sale, sabi natin may magre-result na obligation. Obligation of the seller to deliver the property and the buyer to pay the price. Paano kung malayo? Let's say, for example, Shopee or Lazada, nag-order ka, no? It creates another contract. No? The obligation creates another contract, no? Contract of carriage, no? Meaning, ipapadeliver ni seller sa ibang delivery agency or delivery firm yung product para mapunta sa'yo. So, because of his obligation to deliver, merong nag-arise na contract. So, hindi all of the time na ang nag-arise sa contract si obligation. Minsan, si obligation din nagre-result into a contract. So, yun lang.